get too excited. Lily, look out. Sit down. Yeah.
Look at this thing, Leslie. It's a pig. I'm so excited.
That's freaking awesome.
Feels like your second cat.
That's great.
Yeah. Team Bouchard.
Hold on, you gotta take a picture of me with my
Woo! He ate that smelt right up.
Look at that damn thing.
See that smelt on. Look at that. It's the same size as the one I caught yesterday.
That's a
It's
freaking
so
beast.
pretty.
Wow.
What do you think it is?
That's
we
probably,
land?
that's probably
it's
19.
cool. Yeah.
Wow. High five, Leslie. What the heck? I thought you were snagged on bottom. You're like, ah, help.
How do you feel?
I feel fabulous. My first fish in years.
Look at how big it is, too. I'm jealous. Second cast. She's showing us how to do it. That's a nice fish.
I'm pumped.
Beauty.
Alright, let me hold it up
That
here.
woman
Let me
didn't
give
catch
you my
anything.
phone. Was that a man or a
I
woman?
think it was a man.
Transgender of some kind or something. It seemed a little...
Very